does suck, unfortunately. The old girl's starting to rock. I put all this time and energy into it. Now I'm gonna have to pull the motor. What do y'all think? Replace it, rebuild it, or what are y'all thinking? Huh? Well, oil pressure's still good. I wonder if I rev it up, what it'll do. I mean, it almost sounds similar, like up end, but the vibration feels to be coming from the bottom end when I put my hands on it. But I think I've got a motor kind of lined up maybe when I get a little bit of cash. But I'm thinking about these 3.8s are pretty tough usually. So I don't know, let me know in the comments what y'all think about this little girl. What should be next for her? We definitely got to get it out to my grandparents' so that, you know, she's out of the way, and then work on it from there. But anyway, I hope everyone's doing good today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.